Healthy eating is not just about staying fit or shedding a few pounds, it's about creating a lifestyle that fuels your body, sharpens your mind, and sustains your well-being over the long haul. But did you know that over 90% of Americans don't consume enough fruits and vegetables? That's right, most people miss out on the simplest, most accessible way to boost their health. In today's video, we'll dive deep into how you can transform your eating habits, embrace a healthier lifestyle, and unlock a new level of energy and vitality. Let's explore what healthy eating really means, why so many people struggle with it, and how small changes can lead to big results. Plus, stick around until the end, because I'll share a powerful resource that can make starting your healthy eating journey easier than ever. Healthy eating is the cornerstone of overall wellness. It's about balance, nourishing your body with essential nutrients, and avoiding the pitfalls of quick-fix diets and processed foods. But let's face it, maintaining a healthy diet in today's fast-paced world can feel overwhelming. From endless fast food options to misleading marketing on packaged products, knowing what's truly healthy can seem like a maze. First, let's tackle the basics of a healthy diet. A well-rounded diet should include, fruits and vegetables. These should form the majority of your plate. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they support everything from your immune system to glowing skin. Whole grains. Swap out refined grains like white bread for whole grain options like quinoa, brown rice, and oats. These provide fiber, which is essential for digestion, and helps keep you feeling full. Lean proteins. Protein isn't just for building muscle, it's also vital for repairing tissues and maintaining a healthy metabolism. Choose lean options like chicken, fish, beans, and tofu. Healthy fats. Not all fats are bad. Foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are rich in heart-healthy fats that also keep you satisfied. Now that we know what to eat, let's talk about how to make it sustainable. Many people fail at healthy eating because they aim for perfection instead of consistency. It's not about cutting out all your favorite foods or sticking to a rigid plan, it's about progress over perfection. Here are some actionable tips to help you stay on track. 1. Plan ahead. One of the biggest obstacles to healthy eating is convenience. Spend time each week planning your meals and prepping ingredients. This way, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy options when life gets busy. 2. Start small. Instead of overhauling your diet overnight, focus on making one small change at a time. Swap soda for water, add a serving of vegetables to each meal, or commit to cooking at home 3 nights a week. 3. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Avoid distractions like TV or scrolling through your phone during meals, so you can truly enjoy your food and prevent overeating. 4. Hydrate. Often, we mistake thirst for hunger. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day supports digestion, energy levels, and even clearer skin. 5. Treat yourself occasionally. Healthy eating isn't about deprivation. Allow yourself to enjoy treats in moderation, it's about balance, not extremes. Let's address a common challenge: the cost of healthy eating. Many people believe that eating healthy is expensive, but that doesn't have to be true. By shopping smart and making strategic choices, you can eat well on a budget. Here's how. Buy seasonal produce. Fruits and vegetables that are in season are not only fresher but also more affordable. Visit local farmers markets for great deals. Opt for frozen foods. Frozen fruits and veggies are just as nutritious as fresh ones, and they last longer, reducing food waste. Cook at home. Eating out is expensive, and you have little control over ingredients. Preparing your meals at home can save money and calories. Purchase in bulk. Items like oats, rice, beans, and nuts are often cheaper when bought in bulk. Plan your meals. Sticking to a grocery list prevents impulse buys and ensures you only purchase what you need. If you're struggling to find the time or motivation to eat healthier, let me share a simple framework to get started. 1. Set clear goals. Why do you want to eat healthier? Whether it's to have more energy, improve your health, or feel more confident, having a clear goal will keep you motivated. 2. Find healthy swaps. Replace unhealthy snacks with nutrient-rich alternatives. For example, trade potato chips for air-popped popcorn, or fruit for dessert. 3. Create a routine. Consistency is key. Establish a routine that includes regular meal times, grocery shopping, and meal prep sessions. 4. Build a support system. Surround yourself with people who encourage your healthy habits. Share meals with family or friends who are also focused on healthy eating. 5. Celebrate small wins. Every small change is a step in the right direction. Celebrate your progress, whether it's drinking more water, eating an extra serving of veggies, or cooking at home. Healthy eating doesn't just benefit your physical health, it impacts your mental health, energy levels, and even your productivity. Studies have shown that people who eat balanced diets are less likely to experience depression and anxiety. When you fuel your body with the nutrients it needs, you'll notice improvements in your mood, focus, and overall outlook on life. Now, if you're ready to take your healthy eating journey to the next level, I highly recommend checking out my Fitness Healthy Eating Ebook. It's packed with actionable tips, meal plans, and recipes that make healthy eating simple and enjoyable. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or someone just looking to feel better, this guide will provide the tools you need to succeed. You can find it on my site at beacons.ai izikmediodia. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit. Let me know in the comments what's one small change you'll make this week to improve your eating habits. And don't forget to check out my Fitness Healthy Eating Ebook to get started on your journey today. See you in the next video.